Let us begin with the classic writing desk. Antique writing desks are not only functional, but also beautiful. With carved legs, brass handles, and rich wood tones, they bring a sense of history to your room. A writing desk is one of the antique furniture pieces you need in your room, especially if you enjoy journaling, reading, or working from home. Next, consider a vintage armchair. Upholstered in velvet or leather with curved wooden frames, these chairs offer comfort and style. Placing an antique armchair in a corner with a small side table creates a cozy reading nook. This is the kind of antique furniture you need in your room to make it feel inviting and personal. Another essential piece is the antique dresser. These dressers often feature intricate woodwork and spacious drawers. They are perfect for storing clothes, linens, or accessories while adding visual interest to your space. An antique dresser is practical and elegant, making it one of the antique furniture pieces you need in your room. Do not overlook the charm of a vintage mirror. Antique mirrors with ornate frames can make a room feel larger and brighter. Whether hung above a fireplace or placed over a dresser, a mirror is a versatile piece of antique furniture you need in your room. It reflects light and adds a touch of sophistication. A four-poster bed is another stunning example. These beds with tall, carved posts and detailed headboards create a dramatic focal point. They evoke a sense of luxury and tradition. If you want your bedroom to feel like a retreat, a four-poster bed is the kind of antique furniture you need in your room. Sideboards and buffets also deserve attention. Originally used in dining rooms, these pieces can be repurposed for storage in bedrooms or living areas. Their long surfaces are perfect for displaying art books or plants. A sideboard is a flexible and stylish piece of antique furniture you need in your room. Do you love hosting guests or enjoying quiet evenings with tea or wine? Then a vintage tea table or bar cart is a must. These small tables often come with wheels and elegant finishes. They are perfect for serving drinks or showcasing collectibles. This is the kind of antique furniture you need in your room to add charm and function. Lighting is another area where antique furniture shines. Look for vintage floor lamps or table lamps with stained glass shades or brass bases. These pieces provide soft ambient light and serve as decorative accents. Antique lighting is subtle yet impactful and definitely furniture you need in your room. Finally, consider adding a trunk or chest at the foot of your bed. Antique trunks offer storage and style. They can hold blankets, books, or seasonal items while adding a rustic touch. A trunk is a versatile piece of antique furniture you need in your room, especially if you love mixing old and new elements.